you see the look of satisfaction in her face? She was radiating with so much happiness.
But the question is, are you so sure about that? You know, women can cover up a lot. All the same, I believe that Richard can make her happy. I believe that.
Now you're talking. So finally, we've got a wedding to plan.
Oh yes, finally.
Sweetheart, I have something to suggest.
What is that?
Can we move this wedding to the Caribbean? I've always wanted to witness a wedding on a beachside.
Well, unfortunately, the choice is for your daughter to make and not you. Anyways, you can ask her, maybe she will buy your idea.
Oh, come on. She has no other choice than to be her mother's daughter.
You can say that again.
Oh, I'm happy.
What about me? I'm happy too. Finally.
Finally.
It's a good one. I'm happy for her.
I don't even know the color of dress I'm going to choose on that day.
Can you wait a little first?
I cannot wait.
Yeah, good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, we need you to park your car.
Is there any problem?
There's no problem, but you have to park your car.
All right.
That way. Sir, we need you to open your boot, sir.
Is there any problem?
Mr. Man, you need to open the car for you.
Is there any problem? Eh?
No. Just want to go away.
These are personal effects, eh? These are personal effects. You know, they waste my time now.
Sir,
They waste what is going
Oh,
on?
God, shut up. Do you want to teach us our job? Allow the officer to
do
check.
your job. Do your job. Nah, I
Personal
don't like
effects.
this. I don't like this.
Personal effects.
Check. Officer, this is personal effects. There's nothing there. It's just personal effects. Let me go. Yeah?
You say that this is personal effect.
Personal effects, but where did you get it from?
Can't you see
Inside
he
your
brought it from the car?
Inside my
Yes.
car?
Officer,
What?
please check this.
Hold on. What is this? Officer, hold on. Are you sure this is from my car? Yeah?
Do you see me with anything?
Officer, I have every reason to suspect that this is narcotic substance.
What? No, officer, see, let me explain something.
Okay,
I
shut
did not
up.
put this here. I'm not lying to you. How? I don't understand what is going on.
Keep quiet.
I didn't put this in the car.
You better keep your mouth shut.
I didn't know they say they sold substance, narcotic substance. I don't know how.
This substance is narcotic.
I don't know how.
Do you know what that means?
No, officer, I will explain.
Sir,
Let me
you are
explain.
under arrest.
Let me explain. I did not.
You
come out
are
with
under
anything.
arrest.
Why will I put this inside my car? I reason down. Eh?
Are you telling us we are lying? Do you want to tell me?
There's no way
Officer
I
of
can
the
put
law
this
that
in my
I'm lying.
car. Officer, stop now. I'm not a kid.
Oga,
There's
shut
no
up.
way-
Officer,
Show me
handcuff
your
him.
Babe, I didn't even understand what is going on, eh? I can explain. Babe, I won't try it now. Why will I come out?
Officer, handcuff him.
Wait,
Rubbish.
hold on. I think there must be a mix-up somewhere.
Officer,
Show me
handcuff
your
him.
What?
Show me your
Officer.
handcuffs.
Officer.
Will you give him your hand before I blow off your skull?
Officer, I'm not
Nonsense.
lying to you. Babe, how come? What is going on here?
Must be a mix-up somewhere.
How? I didn't fix that. I didn't even. Eh?
Oga, shut up. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have every right to get an attorney.
Yeah, please.
The government
Yeah.
will provide if you don't have the money. Oga, Oya, move.
Enter your car, sir. Move to the car.
No.
Paki,
Akwi,
sweetheart.
is anything the matter?
Yes.
What is it?
A letter just called a few minutes ago telling me that Richard was arrested.
What? Richard? Arrested by who? And for what offense?
Possession of illicit drugs and other narcotics. Come, sweetheart. Does it mean that Richard deals in hard drugs?
How would I know?
Jesus.
He looks so innocent to me. But as long as the drugs were found on him, there is no mincing words. He is a drug dealer. Speaking of which, where is our daughter?
She's on her way back to the palace. She's an emotional wreck right now. I have to go
No,
outside.
you don't have to excuse me. You just said she's coming, right? Let's be here and wait for her. It's okay. She'll be here.
Come on.
It's okay. Let's sit down here and wait.
How can it be okay? Just tell me. My only daughter is just worried. What is going on with her?
She's gonna be fine. When she comes, we'll hear our own side of the story, okay? It's okay. Just relax.
Who is after me? Who is doing this? Who is behind my plight? Who have I offended? Could it be a curse? I am so confused. Someone please talk to me. Major Onye. Who did I offend? Please tell me, let me know.
How can that handsome man be dealing on drugs? Oh, I think this Princess Electra is becoming mischievous. How can somebody not know what her husband-to-be is into? Women. Hey! Are you not seeing me? Amaka? Is this girl not even seeing me? Amaka? I've been standing here talking since and you've not uttered a word. Hope. Ngwa. Get out of my sight. See this one. Onya silly. Gossip Nigerian limited. No. Don't even try it. That's not the name of the company I want to register. If you don't know, come and ask me, I will tell you. Don't try it again, no. What's wrong with this one? Every time this guy is always killing somebody's name.
How is that even possible? Richard dead? How is it possible?
They said he died in police custody. Just when our daughter was trying to find out why he was involved in drugs.
Why? Why die in police custody? I mean, Richard that visited last time was strong, hale and hearty. Was he sick before something? Or is there something they are not telling us?
Something like what? You were present when the report came on air, so?
Your Highness, come on. You sound like this whole thing is not even important to you. I mean, you sound like it doesn't matter to you and I. Is there something you knew that you were not telling me? Is that the case?
Oh, will you shut up? Shut up this minute. Now go and check up on our daughter this minute. That is what we should be thinking and worrying about, and not some frivolities.
I will check on her.
Wonder shall never end. Eh? All these days are not ordinary.
I'm short of words of what to say. My heart goes out to our poor princess Electra. She would have been enjoying her marriage by now.
So you can talk. Eh? You're not dumb after all. Because anytime I bring up a topic concerning Princess Electra, you just do your nose like Obaka. So you can talk. Oh.
Hope. There is a difference between gossip and having an honest conversation. You've been monitoring and accusing our poor princess incessantly, and that's not fair.
See, that's not the problem. That's not... Well, what is my own? If I talk now, they will say Hope talks too much. I'm not talking again. No. But you come.
Hey! Tell.
Come on, Wepakaga.
That is the best thing you've ever said. This your gossip Nigeria Limited will close shop for one day.
If it's a joke, stop it. That's not the name of the company I plan to register. What's wrong with this girl? Well, what is my own? I will not talk again. If I talk now, they will say, Hope, you talk too much. Me, my mouth is closed. You will not hear my mouth. Me, talk. I lie. I'm not talking again. Yeah, I'm not talking again. After they will say, Hope is talking too much. Nobody will hear my mouth. Oh no, wait, come. My mouth has gone for holidays. No more talking in this palace. And the queen should better not even say anything to me because I will not answer her. All of them, they should not talk to me. Then they will say I talk too much. Look at this one. I'm trying to help her life. She's telling me I talk too much. Don't fire all of you in this compound.
I warned you. I warned you. I knew this was going to happen. I knew it. But as long as I live, I am going to avenge your death. They would never go scot-free. All of them. Oh, Richard.
It's now very clear I'll be needing a restraining order for you.
Why are you still wasting time when the law is your father's dining table? You got blood on your hands.
I did not kill him.
Yes, you did. You and I know you did. So brace yourself, darling. for your world is coming down. Bye.
Down. It's alright, it's alright. Now I'll help you. Now, how were you able to sleep in such a stuffy room? What is it? Calm down.
The AC was on.
It's off. It's off, Electra.
I left it on before I slept.
Electra, it's off. Calm down, take a deep breath. Let me on it for you. Just relax. It's okay. Right. Oh dear God. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's alright. Come. It's alright. It's alright. Nothing will happen to you.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Where do you want to go to this early morning?
Mama, have you forgotten that today is a big day? Today is Opoto Day. Huh? Yeah? In fact, as I seem like this, I'm leaving to the palace now.
Opoto?
Yes.
But when I told you to go and fetch Igu for my goats, what did you tell me?
Yeah, Mama. I thought I told you now. Huh? I have explained everything in chapters and in verses for you, Mama. Eh? For today is the day that I am made. Mama, as I'm talking to you now, because today is a big day. Mama, look at me. How do I look?
Okay. No problem.
Did I look take away?
Please go. Go.
Mama!
Go.
Is it one name? Say, today, or one day, just trust me, come drop here.
Alpha, you're still sweeping.
Hope. I'm fine. What is it?
See, you better stop this your attitude towards me. Because when I start my own, you will not like it.
Please now. Start it. Start it! Maybe my ears will have some peace.
Inokwa. See this village fool. Somebody I came to lecture on something very important. She's there making a fool of herself. Rubbish. Die stupid now. Illiterate.
Hi. Fiao. Onye melugi ya anwugo.
Now, how come I'm seeing double of everything in this list? Even rice. Come on, I thought we bought plenty bags of rice. Have they finished already?
Yes, Your Majesty. The cook prepared the list. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
All right then. Get ready to go to the market and buy all these things in the list so you people can finish them at once. Where is Amaka?
She's at the backyard.
All right, tell her to see me right away.
Okay, Your Majesty.
How? Should I stay outside or go inside? I need to be sure of some certain things, like how she will react to my unannounced visit at her house. Come on, man. You have to get out of this car and take a bold step. The price at stake is worth every risk. I'm good. Good afternoon. I wish to see the princess. See you home. Excuse me. I'm talking to you.
Sorry, I was shocked.
Shocked?
You said you want to see Princess Electra. Okay. Oh. No vessel. Who are you to her?
A friend.
What kind of a friend are you?
God damn it! What is this? Why do you need this information? Do you take a poll of all friends that come to visit the princess and their types?
It's not like that though. It's just that, you know how
What's
this...
going on here? Good afternoon, sir. Sorry, sir. Hope this one here has not been disturbing you.
Busybody.
Sorry about that. May I ask, who are you looking for?
Princess,
Sorry, sir. She's not at home right now.
do you have any idea of where she went to?
I'm sorry. I'm not in any position to divulge such information about the princess, sir. Please, can you call her phone?
Okay, and the king?
Oh, he's in a meeting with his cabinet members. Please call the princess. Excuse me, please.
Princess! What do you expect from a man that has fallen in love at first sight? Okay.
Sweetheart, did you not think our daughter should take things slowly? You know, because I wouldn't want her to jump into another relationship now. We really need to investigate this young man properly.
Would you that our daughter Electra mourns her loneliness indefinitely? If you ask me, I will tell you that at this point in time, our daughter needs some level of distraction. Otherwise, we would have a lot on our hands.
Oh, you're right. Absolutely right. I just pray she knows what she's doing. Because a lot of people are already saying that she has bad taste for men.
Darling, who cares about what people are saying or talking? Talk is free. And whoever is saying anything is entitled to his or her own opinion. What matters most to us right now is our daughter's happiness. That is paramount to us, okay?
Well, you're right again.
Are you not taking some?
You know I don't like this. Thank you.
Well, thanks for the understanding.
Come on, sweetheart. That's our daughter.
Mamalicious Martin Curry. The original mama. The undiluted mama. Mommy. Hey. Why you the mama? Hey. Mama, good evening.
Hey, true, come on.
Eh?
You're welcome. How was I doing?
Very, very fantastic. In fact, very, very fantastic. Everything was good. Never, yes, it will never away. Never, ma. Hey.
Go away.
I should go. Oh my God.
No. Leave here.
Huh?
Get out.
Whoa.
What is wrong with you?
Shouldn't be angry now. Well, anyway, let me go and bring my own. I hope my own is very delicious as yours. Huh? Mama, what is happening now? Mama, where is my food? Because I have ransacked everywhere, including the cupboard and under the bed. I didn't see my food.
Which food?
My own food now.
When you're leaving in the morning, did I not ask you where you were going to? You said Opoto. Didn't you eat there?
Mama, I didn't eat there. Because in fact, the time I reached there, hey, Mama, if you remember, there is no kind of food in this planet that you didn't see there. You will see okwa, see ofensala, you will see egusi, you will see ofoha, turkey, everything. Do you know that, Mama? Hey! The time the maidens will try to give me turkey, they will say, take chokoka.
Get away.
I will say, that my mother's food is very, very sweet. In order, they bring this one. That's the same thing, Mama.
Go away. You're not ashamed of yourself.
Must stop this thing.
Your mates in the village are there walking from one side of the village to the other side, and you're here still expecting me to be feeding you. What is wrong with you?
Maria, stop that.
Chuka,
Mama,
are you not ashamed?
Mama, bring this thing.
Get away. Go to the village and see what your mates are doing. Get away.
Mama,
walking from one side of the village to the other, and you still expect me to be feeding you at this stage?
Mama, Mama,
I'm not giving you.
Mama, leave me now.
No, I'm not leaving you.
Mama, leave me. Mama, this is a dangerous zone. No? This is a dangerous zone. Leave this place. I'm ready to commit suicide here.
Commit?
Eh?
Mama, if you like, call it transformer zone.
Mama, leave me now.
You not eat that thing.
Mama? Mama? Allow me to eat this.
Go and make money. Make money. What is wrong with you?
Finally, we get to meet this young man who stole my daughter's heart away. You.
Oh yes, finally.
Mom, you're right. Because all they are here makes my heart leap for joy.
Honestly, I am happy for both of you. In fact, two of you are meant for each other. Young and successful.
Thanks, Dad.
You know what? Soon, the event planner will be here to put us through her plans for the big day.
Oh my
Wow.
God, really?
This is so nice. I don't know what I could have done without your very support. Thank you so much, Your Majesties, for everything.
Oh, you don't have to thank us for anything. This is the least we can do for our daughter.
Oh my God, Daddy. Mom, thank you.
You're special.
You should know you're special.
Thanks.
All right, another lecturer. Let's go to my room and gossip. You know, girly talks. Come. Let's allow this man. Come here, you silly.
I'll join you.
Look at her. Good wife already. Come.
Mom!
Let's go.
What are you? No.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
It's okay. Odera.
Yes, sir.
From business associates to in-law. Well, you're welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Suddenly, Ogena Abia State, PCA Radio has closed her popular Onyoko Meter Oyorima program. Meaning what? I'm referring to you. What do you have to say? The biggest royal wedding is about to take place in this palace. How come you've not come to me with your gossip?
You think I'm jealous? Eh? What's even running through this your empty skull you call a brain?
How can you be jealous when you are an unfortunate market woman?
Amaka, did I beat you in this palace? Even a chimpanzee will beat you in a beauty contest. Since you're mad. You're raving mad, ba?
Hope you think I don't know. You think I don't know that you've been nosing around, following the princess and gossiping about her up and down? Now she's about to become a bride. Stay tuned and wait for the wedding. Jealousy no good.
See this village local champion. Imbecile. Carry your wall and go. Carry your wall and go. After that, they will say Hope talks too much. I'm on my own now fetching water. You carried your busy body and you came to me. Mind yourself, oh. Let me continue what I'm doing. After that, they will say I talk too much.
Hey, sleepyhead. Still sleeping? Like a child. Ah, there you go. Look at your cute little face. You know, I can't believe that I'll be spending the rest of my life with you. Exciting, isn't it? Hey, wake up. Really? You know, it's too early to be playing pranks. Baby, baby, open your eyes. Baby. Odera. All the bridesmaids have gotten their dresses. And they are lovely. You must have spent a fortune. A lecturer? You're not concentrating. Like, are you listening to me? You seem distracted. Yes. Yes,
I'm fine. The clothes. Yes, they came out nice because the fashion designer knows her onions.
Oh.
Don't mind me. Marriage has got me. The plans, everything. I admit I'm distracted. I guess it's the marriage fever. Sometimes I'm distracted, sometimes I'm drooling over my man. Who I can't wait to be in his arms. Yeah.
Hope you're not trying to make me feel jealous because you won't succeed.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Well, guess where our honeymoon will be at?
Where?
First, we will be at the Obudikato Ranch.
Wow.
Then we'll be jetting up to the Maldives.
Wow! Love is a beautiful thing. Electra? Electra? Electra! Electra, are you okay?
Hello? What? Electra? Electra, are you alright? Look at that woman. I'm not seeing any woman. She's there, right there. Electra! Electra! Who? Hello? Hello? Sorry, Your Majesty. Something wrong with you? Why are you sneaking up on me?
No, I'm not sneaking around though. Her Royal Majesty, the Queen, sent me on an errand.
Who is that woman? Which woman? Look at her.
Who are you seeing?
The woman. Her, like, Electra.
I don't see your friend.
What is wrong with her? Electra, what is wrong with you? Who are you seeing? That's why a woman. What is wrong with her?
I don't know. She just came here and started asking me if I saw one woman. Wait though. Were people drinking over there?
Are you silly? Come on, get out of my sight. Get out! Useless thing. Oh, Electra! Hello? Who are you?
Why do you always show up in my dreams and now you're in my reality? Who are you?
Electra, what is it? What is wrong? Why are you screaming?
The woman. It's the woman. It's the woman. It's the woman.
Electra, are you okay? I'm not seeing any woman. Electra!
I'm really well with Your Majesty. Her behavior earlier today was strange. I understand, but you shouldn't be worried. Okay? Listen, this is marriage fever. Marriage fever does a lot in the lives of young girls like Electra. Marriage fever? That's it. Never heard of that before.
Oh, well, you're hearing it for the first time.
Please, Your Majesty, you need to talk to Electra to know what the problem is.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful knowing that you care so much about my daughter. Now I'm going to instruct the driver to drop you off.
Okay, Your Majesty. Thank you.
This is just a superstitious belief.
Odera, it is not superstition. It is not. All these things had happened already. I am telling you nothing but the truth. Yes.
Well, I'm not buying that. There is nothing. Like, all the story you're telling me means nothing to me. Like, I love Electra. And there is nothing you're going to say that is going to change my love for her.
Even after all I've just told you now?
I was about leaving when you came. Take care of yourself, okay?
Odera! Odera!
Oh no! Oh no! Come, let's. What is all this? Oh no, what is keeping you inside there? We're already late. Do not be angry. I was on the phone with my Germany-based son. Oh, we Makwesi then. Biko, let's go. Biko will be angry with us if we get there after the in-laws have arrived. I apologize once again. Eh? Oh, please let's go. Let us go.
The guests have started arriving, and your man, he has arrived too. He is so excited. Such a vibe. Princess, are you alright?
No, not really. I have a funny feeling.
What are you saying? Today of all days, you should be happy and fulfilled. Okay, fine. What seems to be your problem?
I don't know. But I feel really strange. Maybe we should cancel the event. I want to cancel it.
What? Don't say that. Electra, don't say that again. Come on. Electra, don't say that again. It is the prayer of every young girl to get married to the man she loves. Yes. Don't worry, let's go. Let's go. Lecture. Is she alright?
Come on, you girls are delaying. You're supposed to be downstairs. Our in-laws are waiting.
We know, my queen, but there is a situation. The princess seems not to be happy. She barely speaks, and when she does, the only thing she talks about is ending the marriage.
Oh, no. No, that can't be. You know, at times, some brides do have mood swings on their wedding day.
I told her that.
It's alright, allow me to speak with her, sweetheart.
Okay, my queen here.
Oh, are you not ready yet? My dear, I'm ready. Just trying to fix my hair tie. I don't know. It's always hard for me to set my hair ties.
What are you setting again for?
Is he okay?
Because let's go to the palace before the food, the chairs will be filled up. I want to eat. I want to enjoy myself very, very well today.
You and food.
Because
eating munedi. It's okay. Okay. Let me just go in and keep my mirror and lock my door.
Lock your door.
Yes. So that
your son, Chukwuka.
Chukwuka. My son with Boris leg. Forget that boy. You will count the number of times he's in the house and the number of times he's outside. He never stays at a place.
Make I pour.
I can need the game.
I can not learn in
I bless you in the name of the gods of our land. This union is blessed. You will have children, both boys and girls, and you will be strong enough to train your children, and they will in turn take care of you in your old age. So shall it be. Please, the music, go on. Yes. More music, more music.
Babe? What the man? What is going on? Mom! Dad! Somebody help me, please! What's the thing? What's the thing? Don't sell me, somebody! Hey! What? Hey! No! Hey! No! Hey! No! No! Oh my goodness!
That stupid bitch went ahead and began blackmailing my father with a fake pregnancy. A plot that was very clear to me that her intention was to sneak her way into the palace and officially become my father's second wife. Oh, I was so furious. I activated strong measures to shut her down. She, seeing my resolve, suddenly disappeared. And now she has resurfaced in my dreams with all of these nightmares. I can't help but think that she has engaged in some dark powers or dark activity just to get back at me.
Oh, come on, Electra. Stop being paranoid here. Stop it. Oh, I do not know what transpired between you and this Alicia girl, but my 2 kobo advice is for you to banish those thoughts. Yeah.
My life is tearing apart. Any man that comes close to me dies. Something is definitely wrong with me.
They could be mere coincidences.
There is no such thing as coincidence in this situation. I need a solution because I am this close to losing my mind.
You just have to calm down. Calm down. You're just tensed. You're tensed up. You know what? You just have to get your nerves together and hopefully all this will be a thing of the past very soon.